Here I am at Quality Bumper Company here in Mesa on Gilbert Road, just north of Southern. We're tinting a 2017 Chevy Crew Cab pickup truck today, and he is right now Ryan, our professional tint installer slash PPF installer, and he's going to give us a little knowledge on window film and the differences between them and what differentiates Quality Bumper from all the rest. Here we are, Ryan.
Hi there. My name's Ryan. I'm the window tint and paint protection film installer for Quality Bumper. We're working on this Chevy Silverado today. We're going to be installing the last piece, the rear window. It's in the CXP line. It's an 18% visibility, and we're going to go ahead and do that installation. Todd's going to film me while I do that so you can see how easy the process is. We do carry three types of film. We've got an entry level that's quite frankly on par with most other companies' mid to high line films. That's going to be our carbon series. Then we have the Carbon XP, which is an upgraded carbon type. And then of course we have the current generation nano ceramic films that everybody loves once they find out about those. So let's go ahead and get on this installation here.
Sounds great.
I've got the piece pre-cut for the size of the back window. I'm just going to go ahead and get into the back seat and wet the window down, clean it off, and extend the piece out.
How long does a crew cab take you normally, Ryan, to tint?
Of course, that's assuming there's no old film on the vehicle. But it can usually be done within about an hour to an hour and a half, depending on the model and the year. And a couple other variables, but it's usually very safe to assume that within an hour to an hour and a half, we can have any vehicle completed.
Great. I notice you really get that window really wet.
Yeah, that's one of the things that is most important with window film installation is you have to make sure that the glass is entirely wet. The entire surface area needs to be wet. It's not so much how much water you use, but that the entire surface is wet. So we want to make sure that that is the case each time we go to apply a new piece of film here. We're going to start on the center and work our way to the top and out, and then to the sides and down. Here the liners come off and that's thrown away, obviously. Okay. So now you can see we got that piece installed. It was very quick and painless. That window is complete. The only thing that you need to do is make sure not to get it wet for a couple days while it cures.
Great.
And that's that.
Well, thank you, Ryan. Appreciate it.
Certainly.